Raju, in the side facing. Raju, here pode. One boy. Here central पे तोड़ना. Sir.
Okay, everyone, grab your teammates.
Shiva, stay here. Take a position, go around. Job, go around. Right. Go. Hey, Raju, go around. Hey, Pranshi, stay closer. You're playing wide. Hey. Hey, Akash. Sam, you have to talk. Stay back. They both need to come in front of this. Talk to them and make them play. Now they stay in the center of the goal. Who's starting, Shiva? Just stay closer. Where are they going too far? Raju, you're starting. Shan, pass to Dilip and play. Hey, Yuvan, come closer. Wait for the whistle. Keep talking. Play passes and play.
Cover file लो.
Hey, क्या हो? आपके passing ये move करो. राजू, और आगे तो मुझे वोट नहीं लो. Guys, keep moving around towards the right and left side. Come on, boys, on the spot. On the spot. Be active. Dilip, go ahead, Dilip. Dilip. Hey, Dilip, play it. Team up. Play tough, Yuvan. Dilip, what kind of kick was that? Akash, clear the ball out. Dilip, go support. Go up, Yuvan, play. Play forward. Dilip, send the ball in. Go on, Dilip. Hey, play man. What is that? There you play. Hey, Prabshish, take the kick. Take a position. Prabshish, between them. Hey, Akash. Go. Yeah, send the ball in. Send the ball in. Dilip, Dilip, aana. Hey, aana, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? Hey, Prabshish, on the line, stand and throw, don't jump. Hey, Yuvan. Hey, stand, throw, come here. On the line. Leave the ball and go. Ball again, take. Foul throw. Okay, go back now. Go back. Hey, what a foul throw. Come this side. Hey, stand. Let up, Shiva, clear. Shiva, what kind of clearance, Shiva? Go tackle, Dilip, you're letting. Hey, come for the ball and tackle, man. Hey, Shiva, take your time and clear the ball, man. Hey, oi, I want to clearance from you. Raju, come here. Raju, underline, center line. Hey, stop. Hey, क्या करो? Go, Dilip, send the ball in. Go. Hey, Yuvan, I don't know. Go. Hey, Savu. Yeah, good one. Come on, yeah, nice one. Yeah, go, team up. Hey, Dilip is not playing. Savu, Shyam, if you're walking, you're gonna come up. Hey, Raju, go close to Savu. Hey, stay close, man, both of you. You're not able to run for 2 minutes, then. Shyam. Now go, Shiva, leave and go. Come, Shiva. Come, Shiva. Come, Shiva. Come fast, Shiva. Hey, Shiva. Again. Clear the ball. Hey, Shiva. Why you not running? Good. Again, again. Hey, Shiva. What a ball. Hey, Raju, go now. Hey, stay back, Dilip. Ball. Hey, Ardo, Dilip, Ardo. Hey, hey, Prabshesh, watch, wait. Wait, pass to Sam and play, wait. Pass to Sam and play. Sam, play on the line, on the line. Good. Oh, where are you playing? Clear the ball. And the rest. Hey, Sam, play now. Akash. Go, Savu. Raju, disturb ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡೋ. ಹೋಗೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ. Tagala, big Tagala. Hey, stand and throw, man. Hey, leader, Dilip, come here. Hey, Shiva, stand and throw.
Raju, where you have to be? Come here.
Throw to Raju. Stand and throw. Good throw. Go. Take a ball. Come here.
Foul throw.
Vada. Lead the ball and go back. Hey, lead the ball.
Give the ball to them.
Go. Leg up. Hey, go back to Shiva. Hey, Dilip, क्या ball? Come Shiva. How many times you tell you not to lift your leg up? That's right. Come see, tackle. You guys are... Go. Good pass, go. Take the ball forward. Go. Hey, Dilip, good tackle. Blue ball up. Akash, with the ball. Good. Dilip, tackle. Dilip. Don't let them shoot. Outside, run. We are appealing, sir. Areas are all Hey, Sam, come here. You're allergic. Hey, tackle that, Dilip. Shiva, clear. Look at your clearance. How are you playing there, Sam? Guys, hey, win the ball and play it up, Prabshesh. Clear. Play. Hey, you guys are playing like a dead bodies there. Sam.
Raju, come in the center.
Hey, Ara, Dilip, Allah start ya.
Hey, what Dilip?
ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಕ. ಹೇ ಅವನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ, ಥ್ರೂ ಬಾಲ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಹೇ Dilip, come this side. Raju, go for the ball. Shiva, your ball. Play for the ball. You're not running. No one is running today. Dilip, go back behind it. Hey, Ivan, Ulora.
Come on.
Dilip, your ball.
Ado.
Dilip.
Ado, Dilip.
Hey, Dilip, because of your team is going there. Prabshesh, I want a proper clearance. Go. Hey, Savu.
Yes.
Hey, Shreyan, play da. Hey, Akash, don't hurry. Akash. Hey, don't under. Hey, Dilip, you guys need to play.
Go, Raju, go that side, Raju.
Go.
Raju, you have to go that
Take
side.
handball. Whose handball was that? Wait. Hey, Raju, which side is the ball? Hey, get up, Baro. Hey, Aloga, last man, Go. Hey, Savu, run. Hey, Shiva, make a run inside. Shiva, come inside. Dilip, Shiva, come. Shiva, go. Dilip, go. Shiva, go. Hey, the keeper out. Keeper. Hey, Navdeep. Hey, Navdeep. Hey, can you touch the ball? Pass it.
இந்த மேட்ச் இது வாக் ஓவர் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Can you touch the ball, man?
இப்போ ஆட போற மேட்ச் நெக்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச் இந்த லிஸ்ட் அது அத்தனை
Hey, come back. Hey, Shan, come back. Dilip, come back. Dilip, come back. Get the ball. Dilip, your ball. Dilip, come to the ball. Hey, don't watch him to receive. You have to come. Navdeep, that was very bad. Hey, Dilip. Hey, come here. Come close.
Come forward.
Stand. Look at me. Stand. and throw the ball. Don't lift your left back. Go. Play da Shiva.
Come Dilip. Dilip, be in the center.
Go Shreya. Pass. Pass.
Pass करना है यार.
Pass, man. Hey, just kick the ball in and play da. Why are you holding the
बैलो
ball? Sam, tackle.
पन्नड़
Sam.
अरे रा
Hey. Ref change, ref. Stand out. Stand out. Stand out.
हाँ तो ये कब बार
Only talking one number.
கால்பனிங்களா
Wait, practice. Practice, wait.
இல்லை அனுப்பிச்சு கால் பண்ணுவாங்க சொல்லுங்க வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பிச்சிக்கிற அது ஓகேவா லிஸ்ட் அப்படின்ட்டு
Hey, Dilip, bole aake aado.
फुल बेटी
Go. Go for the ball. Dilip, go. You're watching the game. Navdeep. Navdeep, move your body. Navdeep, drop and kick the ball inside. Navdeep. Navdeep, drop and kick. Go. Dilip is not here. Dilip is not here. Akash, you're walking. Hey, you want? Go make a one. Hey, Dilip, come back, Dilip. Dilip, come back. Mark your man. Mark your man. Mark your man.
Navdeep.
Akash, go, Akash. Dilip, odo. Hey, Navdeep. Navdeep. Hey, can't you judge the ball and punch the ball? Okay, wait. Hey, Raju, make a wall. He said make a wall. He said make a wall. Hey, Akash.
எந்த டீம்னே தெரியலையா ஸோ அதனால தான் இது லிஸ்ட் எல்லாம் ஓகேங்களா என்ன ஆட் பண்ணுறது என்னக்குதா இல்லை என்ன அதை வாட்டி செக் பண்ணி ஆட் பண்ணணுமா இல்லை பிளேயர்ஸ்
Hey, Tanav. You have taken now, Tanav.
இல்லை இப்போதைக்கு தான்
Oh, sir.
அங்கே ஆட் பண்ணுவோம்
ஓகே ஓகே அப்போ பரவாயில்ல
நெக்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அங்கே பண்ணுவாங்க
ஆமாம் அது நீங்கள் சீரியஸ்
ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು ಏಯ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾ ಶಿವ ಏಯ್ ಏಯ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕಲ್ಸಿವ ಕೋಡ ಪಿನಾಡಿ ಓಯ್ ಏಯ್ ಕಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಬಾರ ಇದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕಲ್ ಶಿವ ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ದ ಆಫ್ಸೈಡ್ ರೆಫ್
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗಿಂತ
Hey, Mark! Come back! Shoot! Shoot! You come to friend guard. If the stand that says offside, it comes friend guard. Ayush! You can play. Both are playing. Are you getting it? Bring some water and
Go, go.
Yeah,
Go.
bring water.
No, go back. You should go back. You should go back. Ivan, go back. Dilip, cover man to man. Akash! 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 Akash, come forward and throw.
ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ನೀನು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್
Throw on the line. Left.
ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಿಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್
Dilip, Dilip.
Hey, wait, hey, consistent.
Rakshish, go.
Hey, Dilip, keep the ball front. Go ahead. Hey, hey, Karthik, go, Karthik.
Stand. In center.
Hey, come on.
Akash.
Hey, go. Go. Dilip, go to the ball. Dilip, go. Offside, right? Hey, Dilip, when he's chipping the ball, go for the ball. Hey, that's it, long ball. Hey, Sam, take closer down. Hey, Dilip, you have to go for the ball. Vishal, you have to go for the ball. Go for the ball, Karthik. Shiva, send the ball in, same ball. Hey, go back now, Dilip. Go back there. No time. Hey, you want? Hold up, Pinade. Hey, Pradesh, come up.
Hey, Ishad, come this side.
Come, tackle.
Shiva.
You're letting them play.
Go, na.
Tackle, Dilip. Dilip! Dilip, tackle, Prashesh! Prashesh! Hey, Prashesh! Hey, play, man! Hey, Prashesh! You have to clear quickly, at least he's saving, Prashesh! Joan, get ready. Come on, man. Prashesh, you have to clear and play. Team up! Team up! Team up! Team up! Mark individually. Chip the ball in! Go da. Hey.
Prashesh, come.
Hey, can't you clear that ball out easily, Prashesh, I'm talking to you. Can you clear that ball? Hey, what? Dilip, over chip the ball between Shiva, Dilip and Vishal. Dilip, you have to go for the ball. Dilip, go for the ball. Clear. Hey, Dilip, Ado. Prashesh, you have to be quick, Prashesh. Go. Prashesh, go! Prashesh, you have to run fast. Hey, Satvik, akkade move ball akkade. Get ready, Raju, be ready. Do the warm up. Then market play now. You have to run Hey, Prashesh, be quick in the field. Satvik, you know what ball game. Satvik, go. Go, Shiva, go. Good. Dilip, Ado. Hey, Prashesh, come up, man. Sam. Play, it's okay, play, Prashesh out. Hey, you're not running. Hey, Sam, you have to tackle Sam.
One 14, one 16.
Hey, after taking kick, you're there and you're not coming up. Who's going to play outside, like trapping or not?
Where and go, don't go in it.
If you're not working out, very difficult, I'm telling you. You are the only person because of you now outside track. Go drink some water. Boy, said, it's going to be very difficult.
Start play.
Ana Dilip. There you're not working out. First goal, your mistake. This one, when you react, second goal, after taking kick, you're alone there. Boy, you're alone.
Ball set kick, come forward and kick.
Mark and play, pressure! Play forward! Pressure! Good, play forward! Play forward! Dilip, hold on. Shiva, play now. Good, go Dilip, hold on Dilip. Hard ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Receive and play. Play. Go, Ishad, go! Pass! Go, Dilip, go! Shiva. Again, Shiva, Dilip, your tackle! Yeah, good. Good job, man. Wonderful job, man.
John, you go back.
Jovan, go back, Jovan. Sam, come up, Sam. Go, pass. Pass this side.
14th minute, 16th minute.
It's okay. Good one. Hey.
First goal 14, second goal
Got to play, Dilip. Only then the team will play. No shoot. Satvik. Pass. First ball clear. Come, Shiva. Take the ball. Dilip, hard. Go, Dilip. Ball kuttade. Go. Ref, now at least, ref. There is foul there. You could have given a free kick at least. Man-to-man marking. Man-to-man marking. Oi. Shiva, stand and throw to Dilip. Mark and play. Go. Turn, toss. Go. On you. Take. Go back, Shiva. Dilip, go back. Give up. Tackle, you want? Dilip, shoot. Hey, Dilip, he's all more the offside option. Go back now. Go back, right. Hey, John, go back. Dilip, body go down, Dilip. You can score, Dilip. Mark. Dilip, go back. Goalkeeper out.
Navajit, come forward and kick.
Hey, come forward and drop.
Forward and kick, Navajit.
Hey! 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 Hey, Navdeep! Navdeep! I'm asking you to come forward and drop and kick. Navdeep! Navdeep! Why can't you listen?
minutes వచ్చి
Dilip, you're not marking a man. Dilip, you're not marking a man. Who am I marking? Dilip. Hey, Navdeep. Be active, man. Hey, Navdeep. Hey, Navdeep. Hey, Navdeep. Navdeep.
ಅವರು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಲ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಮರ್ನಿಕ್கிறாரு ಅವರೇ
Hey, Navdeep.
சாயங்காலத்துக்கு எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமானு கேட்குறாரு பாரு எப்படி கிண்டலா
Come, dog. Don't come outside. Stay around. Come out here. Sam again, Sam!
Come forward, come forward.
Good kick, Navdeep. It's okay. Hey, throw the ball down. Hey, Navdeep. 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 Navdeep.
யார் கரெக்டாக சேவ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்க வந்து டிக்கெட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க
Navdeep. Navdeep.
யார் ரெஃப்ரினே தெரியல
Come close to the line and then throw.
சார் யார் ரெஃப்ரினே
Dilip, go back. Stay behind the man, Dilip. Sam, come up now. Hey, Sam. Come up, man. Sam. Hey, John, come up. John, come up. Come up. See, offset trap, you have to know. Hey, Navdeep. Just stand and punch the ball, Navdeep.
23rd minute
Hey, Navdeep. It's okay, play. Play, it's okay, play that. Hey, Dilip, in Arsenal, Dilip.
coach
Receive and play. Go, Dilip. Dilip, Arsenal, waste see how much you played there. Now you're not able to play. Dilip, you know, Akash,
go don't allow him to pass and run the man stay poda
Hey,
Ako!
don't play now.
Hey, Aada, Dilip. Go. Go. Come.
ball it's a ball play for the whistle
Hey, lead. Hey, Aado, alla artiya. Abal run.
play for the
Hey, baare kede. Oda Dilip poda. Dilip come se sathi.
man to man marking vada ethi vada nee vada good pannuva first ball poda good ball
Hey, stand and throw.
Don't raise your leg. Don't leave him. Don't leave him.
Aako. Throw. Come forward. Don't kick. Throw.
Throw.
That's it.
Play. Play, Dilip.
Dilip, ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ Dilip. ಆತರ Keeper out. Hey, you have to play Dilip. Wait.
Raju
Dilip, you are not playing.
keeper
And Shiva, you guys are not running and playing around.
Turn out I'm first nadu Prabhat va
25th
come out ra
Hey, you silly balls. Can't stand and punch the ball.
come on coordinate
It's very simple, no?
தெரியல அதுதான் தெரியல ஆனால் நல்ல good. இதே மாதிரி நல்ல ஷாட்டிங் எப்படி பண்ணாங்கன்னா
Only matches.
நம்ம பசங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ கிக் தான் வருது அவங்க மேலே தான் கம்பெனி
Carry.
For the reason I didn't try to confirm with them. You told it's 3, I will write that 3. You only told 3.
If I tell anything, you'll write it out.
Delay play.
This isn't just right. Vijay is telling to write something.
संतोष फोन பண்ணியா संतोषக்கு
संतोष का பார்க்கலாம் ஃபோன் பண்ணுறேன்
Go close. Good rebound. And right now, Satvik.
ஹலோ குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் ஈவினிங் எத்தனை ஆக்குதா
Ajay, be there.
Ajay,
Ajay.
smart. You should tell them to go, friend.
Shiva, come in center, Shiva.
Mark, tell them to mark. Mark. You have to guide there.
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ
Akash, stand and throw. Akash, don't be in a hurry. Stand and throw, Akash. Hey, Dilip, ஆடா.
இந்த வாரம் இங்க பெங்களூர்ல இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம்
Dilip, take.
வீக்கெண்ட் ஆனாக்கா என்ன போறான் ஊருக்கு போயிடுறான்
Take Jovan. Jovan can take.
கல்யாணம் கல்யாணம்னு போயிடுறான்
Go, Jovan, take. Hey, Dilip, come up, Dilip.
கல்யாணம் கோயில்
See the ball.
Hey,
Dilip, come here. Shiva, you be in center.
go, Dilip, go. Go, go.
Go, Ayush, go. Go, Ayush, go.
Shiva, go.
Clear, clear.
Shiva.
So much clear.
Hey.
Play for the same. Good. First ball clear. Ayush, I said first ball clear. First ball is clear. What you want to take back? Clear it out. It's okay. Okay, play, no problem. Play on. It's okay. Play. Come on.
Go, up, press.
Dilip, answer, Dilip. Dilip.
Come on, Dilip.
Target, Shiva. Jovan, target, Jovan. Sir. Hold on, go. Shiva, send the ball in.
Shiva, it's okay.
அதுக்கு டிசைட் ஆகுது அவ்வளோ
Hold on, after, let them run. Go back now, Dilip, go back and relax.
சிவா யார் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணுங்க
Score now, Nishant, number 11.
Number 11.
ரைட் சார்
Come back. Mark now. Mark here. Mark.
Come and throw, Jovan. Just stand and throw. Keep your legs closed. Throw.
Don't raise your leg, Joel.
Throw, Satvik. Just throw. Good throw. Go.
Again, come. Joel, go.
Dilip, hold
Don't
back,
leave him to
Dilip.
shoot.
Dilip, hold back, Dilip. You're not running, Dilip. Tanun, get ready. Go do some warm-up.
Ajay, take a long kick. Take a long kick, Ajay. Ajay.
Hey, wait.
Ajay,
Hey,
take a
wait.
long kick.
Hey, wait there. Hey, side al haako bandu.
Ivan.
Mail haako, Ajay. Ajay.
ரெஃப்ரி பண்ணுறது
Ajay, you're putting trouble.
Throw.
Hey,
இப்படி தான் பண்ணலாம்னு உனக்கு ஐடியா தான் இருக்கும் இன்னும் வந்து
you're putting yourself in the trouble there, Ajay. Hey,
Ajay,
Jovan,
Jovan, take a kick.
எப்போ டைம் கூட
Keep on the line, Ajay. Keep on the line.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗು. ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡೋ ಬಾಲ್
Ball, keep on the line. Johan, kick it.
ಆಡ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಟಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಗೋ ವೇರ್
Receive and play, Ishwar.
ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಕಮ್
Hey, you guys get up.
hey watch and run
ಸರಿ
Join come this side
ಸರಿ
go Satvik
Now you go, Satvik. Cover that, cut the line.
go you want press
Now
again
you go.
Satvik
Satvik, you
ಸರಿ
go up.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Press.
press Nishan man good Nishan shoot Ishan, shoot! Hey, Dilip, throw now, Dilip! Dilip, don't lift the leg up!
Satvik!
Hey,
you
Shiva,
come inside!
try to move up and Punjab.
AFC साउथ नेपी
Stand and throw!
नहीं पता और कौन
go.
कौन चलना है सर इसका मत
Come,
सर
Dilip, come back!
Shiva!
Pass! Cross! Cross! Play low, low, low!
Keep the ball little bit
Hey,
low.
Ishan, run from behind! Hey!
Organize,
You are,
organize!
play the position you are!
Satvik!
Go, go!
Good, right.
Man on you! Good. Good. Play inside,
Shiva,
Shiva.
no, come back.
Hey,
You are
Dilip, come
receiver,
back.
play.
Dilip, your center back.
Go, Vivan.
Go, 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 go. Go, pass,
Play,
finish,
Ishan.
pass.
Play, Ishan.
Good ball. Ishan.
Ishan, shoot.
Cross, cross. Hey, Sathik. Good ball, good ball. Shiva, come back, Shiva, come back. Shiva, pinadi va.
Shiva, be with number 5.
Go, Shiva, go. Arra, Shiva. Hey,
No,
Shiva.
no,
what
pass
is-
and play.
Go, Ishan. Ishan, go. Come back. Joven.
Good, that's one.
Good, Joven.
Again.
Shiva, come back. You want come back? Hey, Akash, इधर बरो, केले बरो.
Akash.
Go for Akash. Go for Akash. Hey, come down.
Maintain the line.
Hey, Akash, if you're running, you're not play. Why are you running?
Come up, come up,
Come
come
up.
up, up,
Akash, come
up.
up. Hey,
Joven,
Joven. Joven, come up. Joven. Hey, hey, Joven. When I say come up, you have to come up. Joven, take the kick. Hey, Akash, listen, man. Hey, what up?
Good, keep that side. Keep forward, good.
Hey, hey, you want to go that side? Hey, hey, sir, wait and run. Run. Go, go. Tackle. I want to tackle Sathik. Shiva, put Ula put it.
Control and play.
Ula put it. Dilip is not coming back. Wait,
Come
Dilip.
up, Sam. Come up,
Hey,
Sam.
Sam, come up there. Hey,
Joven, come
Joven.
up.
Ule.
To the goal, try to the goal.
Joven, leave them. Come over. It's not offside. Now you're going to listen to me and play.
Come friend, little friend,
Hey, hey, come back and play, man. Play talking that.
Ishan, come up, come up, come up, up.
Go team up.
Hey, Joven. Move to the
Shiva,
left.
where you have to be?
Team up, team up.
Shiva, come here.
Good throw.
Team up, team up.
Again, go tackle, don't let. Dilip. Go, go,
Chirayu. Go, Chirayu. Go, go.
Hey, come and receive. Talk. Hey, Ara, Dilip.
काइंडली कम्स करांगा
Say my ball and come and grab. Hey, Joven. Put your left. Shiva, mark your man. Hey, Dilip. Dilip.
Pass bana, illa.
Go, go, go. Go, Azad, go.
Satvik, go, press.
Go, Chirayu, go. Guys, handball.
Hey.
Play, play.
Hey, Dilip.
Ayush. Go to the ball, go to the ball. Yeah, this side, change பண்றாங்க. Chirayu to come play. Yeah, again, go position. Chirayu, keep moving.
Come up, come up.
Sam, come up, Sam. Akash, come up. Akash, come up. Sam, come up.
Hey, offside par raha. और man pinadi va.
Hey, Joel, take the kick quickly.
मार गया, मार. Come back.
Kick down. Hey,
Kick now.
kick fast, man. Go.
Go.
Go. Cross, cross. Cross. Hey, cross to Sathik. Dilip. Come, Dilip, come back. Dilip.
Dilip, go back.
Hey, come up there, Sathik, come up. Joan, come up. Sam, come up. Sam, come up. Sam, come up.
Run and play.
Sam, you're not listening. Hey, Aada, Dilip.
Go.
Hey,
Stop.
Vivan.
You guys are relaxing.
Hey,
Go.
Sam, come.
Good.
Go. Go, Dilip.
Hey, Dilip.
Play to Sathik. Pass forward, Sathik. What is that? Good shot on the goal. Keep it on the goal. Hey, move out, man. Why is it difficult to listen and play? Hey, Akash, mera go to pass.
Come up.
Hey, Sam, stay back.
Shiva, little bit.
Konjam mari back.
Little bit slow. Hey, Ajay.
Watch. Akash, watch.
Akash is your man.
Sam, come back. Sam, come back.
Akash,
Akash,
I'm
go
telling you.
You can't cross the offline. Hey, play it. Go up, man, now. Hey, Dilip, Ishad, come this side. Come this side. And I want you to cross the ball. Hey, Dilip, over there. Sathi, go. There, go. Take that, run and kick. Take the ball, friend. Listen to the referee. What is wrong with you, man? Are you so tired?
More.
Hey, Sam, Ulada. Hey,
Hey, inside.
after the ball goes, you're going to run. Run now, run. Here, kick that. Sam, tackle, here. Put it. Ara, ulla. Go, Shiva, go.
No, play. Good.
Not taking it
Handball,
seriously.
handball.
Play la porra.
Don't. Listen what I'm saying.
Fall back.
Good.
Hey, Dilip. Hey, Dilip.
Akash up.
Aar to nahi la le.
Akash, come to love.
Oda ko. Oda. Cross.
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 Go, Abo.
Hey, Dilip. Baara inda ivaga. Mata. Odala
Run and play. Run and play.
Hey, Sam, wait, wait, come on, Sam,
Come
go
on,
up,
come
Joel,
on.
come on, Joel, Shiva, stay,
Akash,
Akash, come back,
Akash.
hey, Akash, come on, man, Akash,
Don't fall at it.
hey, listen and play, go, pass by, ode, go, Sathik, go, hey,
Yuvan,
come up,
take it, touch it, go inside.
hey, their ball, come back, hey, Yuvan, come back,
Come back. Akash,
Yuvan, come back, Yuvan.
Satvik, go.
Play. Because of the two goals, see that. Tackle.
Go, Yuvan.
Joel,
Right.
tackle. Go tackle. Go. Sam, Bandra. Nice. Good save.
Go close.
Move your body and play, Akash.
Up.
What are they? Left.
Go, Sathik. Hey.
Action, Gupta. Low, hey.
You have to
Low
watch
range,
and run.
low range. Not high. Not cricket. Low range. Oh, first ball, Porra.
Joel, play the kick. Keep on the line, Joel.
Even you there, no practice there, chance itself. You keep jumping and playing there.
Hey, Shiva,
One will give
Vivan,
chance.
go left side. Satvik. Head the ball. Shiva.
Shiva, go.
Good.
Shiva, not necessary, Shiva. Why you making
Abol,
fouls there?
take.
Hey, Dilip, make a wall. Shiva, make a wall. You want make a wall? Joel.
Keep on.
Hey,
Keep on.
munadi vada. Hey, lead it goal. Center back.
Sam, come up.
Hey, you want stay close? Make a wall. Stay close. Sam, come up.
Come up.
Hey, hey, Akash, come up. Hold.
Still upper.
Wait.
Oh,
Throw
what
maro.
is that you shoot?
Throw maro, jorage. Good throw. Go, Ishak, go. Go, Dilip. Odo. Faster, Odo. Dilip, go. See how he's coming out in traffic.
Good goalie.
Dilip. Sathik. Shoot, Ishak. Dilip, Ado.
Come back, Jay.
Hey, Sam,
Dilip,
go up.
Up.
Sam, up. Hey, Akash, up. Sam, up. Sam.
Surayo, back, little back. That's offside. Come back, little back. Surayo, little back. When ball goes front, then you run.
Sakib, do one. Are we warming up based on I'm going to give that. Hey, Sam. Pick that play. Joel, take the kick. Joel.
Come back, man-to-man marking.
Hey, Dilip, ball to ball.
Take your diamond kick.
Go for the ball, Dilip. Odo. Go, Sathik, Odo. Go, Sathik. Sathik, shoot. Sathik, open chance, Sathik. Ref change. Sathik out. Ref change. Go, play. Go where the run. Wait, let him come out. Wait.
Wait. Let him give you the ball.
Wait.
Wait. Don't start, Akash. Wait.
Open goal.
Wait, Akash.
Oh, what else you want?
Go, Tanul.
What else you
Tanul.
want? The goalkeeper is out. You can't touch your score a goal.
Go up.
Dilip, go press mano. Dilip.
Go.
Shiva, ra. Shiva, re. Ref, foul. Wait. Shiva, take the free. Dilip, take the free kick. Dilip, come here.
Run and come.
Keep it simple to the side. See, the right side is free. Go towards the right side. Right side, not the left. Right side, not. Right side.
Race ಮಾಡು ಬಿಡಿ.
Hey, Dilip.
Dilip.
Hey, Dilip. First play. Right side, go on there.
Coach, what's his
I'm
name?
working on turning. I'm not happy with your
Goal scorer name.
Dilip, sir. Dilip number. Dilip, turn. Turn this side.
What's your number?
Number 10, sir.
ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ
Play, you can play.
ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕಳಿಸು
Come on, press. I need you to press. Tanun, go up. Tanun, press. Don't leave him to shoot. Go. Dilip, go.
Pass and play. Hey,
Go,
hey, don't come up.
Right.
Hey, what is wrong with this?
Carry Panadra. Touches.
Unnecessary, why you do that?
Good touches. Go mark now. Man to man marking.
Oh, man. Hey, go play the last
First
man.
now, we won.
If you're not listening, you have to come out.
Come.
Yes, Marcus, go tackle. Come, tackle.
Go Tara. Football. Anga.
Tackle.
Please, Sirayu.
Go, Ishak, go. Go, Satya, Tanun. Okay, hold up. Tanun.
Head the ball, Akash.
Hey.
Go. Convert the ball.
Hey, it was your ball, dear. Hey, let me get up. Hey, Ivan, go to right line. Go close. Hey, come here, Tanun. Hey, knock your man. Hey, Ajay, just one more. Just stand there. Hey, stand here, hey.
Go. Chances are go. Go. Got it. Yes, Pandra. Left, please. Sirayu.
Hey, said move around, man.
Sirayu.
Hey, pass this shot.
Come on, run.
Pass this shot quickly. Not too hard. I said go. Hey, Dilip. Beat up ball na.
Up, Akash, up.
Hey.
Akash.
Hey, touches.
Sam, come up.
Come out.
Okay.
Rajir. Go that side. That thing you play.
Okay, Dilip.
Joel.
Hey, you should go stand there. Hey, Dilip, come back. Joel, come back. Hey, Joel. Come back. Ishad is going to stand there. Hey. Oh, mark one man. Hey, line up.
You should release the ball, just see the goal and place it. You have the
Hey,
chance.
ball
See
ಮೇಲೆ
the
roll,
ball.
line ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You are clear.
Come on!
Aishwarya,
Go, place it.
clear the ball. Why you are touching it, giving again
ಇವ
and again?
ಇಂದಕ ಲೀಜು ಇಂದಕ సింపుల్ ಮುಷ್టిದ್ವ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
Rajir,
ಲೀಜು
marking
ಇಂದ
play.
ஜிஜுதா
Hey, Joel.
முக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே இட்ட வந்த அந்த செக் பண்றாங்க இல்ல ஃபோன் பண்ண ஜிஜுக்கு நல்லாகற அப்படின்னு
Move, man.
நான் ஸ்டேடியம்ல தாக்கற ரெண்டு டிக்கெட்கள நான் மேட்ச்க்கு போறேன் நான் பண்ணா அந்த ஐடி கார்டு என்கிட்ட குடுத்தா அந்த அஃபிஷியல் ஐடி கார்டு
Go.
வேற
Ishad, go.
மட்டும் மச்க்கு
Joel, run.
ஓபன்ங்கற ஒரு
Sorry.
ஃப்ரெண்ட் என்ன புஷ்டா ஜிஜுவ புஷ்டா
Pull the ball back.
யார் நீங்க
Okay, come.
Hey, Joel. Hey, Dilip.
எல்லாருக்கும் மேனேஜர் நான் என்கிட்ட யாருன்னு கேக்குறியா மேட்ச் முடிச்சு வா
Face the ball.
மேட்ச்
Hey, you
முடிச்சு
want
வா
to come back
கேக்குறேன்
now?
அப்படின்னு நான்
Dilip, face the ball. Joel, get the ball. You want your ball. Go.
Oda.
ஓட பாலுக்கு முன்னாடி
பதில் தெரிஞ்சுட்டாங்க
tackle. Go.
எனக்கு கன்சிடர் தெரிஞ்சுட்டாங்க லாஸ்ட் டைம் மேல
Clear.
ஆமா
ಕೆಲವು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡಿಂಗ್
See, how's that?
ಓಡ್ and play.
Ball placed it.
இல்ல எதுக்கு முன்னாடி வெல்ல பண்ணிக்கிறேன் நினைக்கிறேன்
Nobody's there taking time.
Go Shiva, go.
Good time.
Go Shiva, pick the ball in.
Go.
Oda, you want
Go, work
I
out.
don't play.
Poda.
Pass.
Touch the ball.
Stay. Yeah. First ball pode. Repeat பண்ணாத.
ப்ராபல் இருக்கலாம்
Hey, chip பண்றா.
கிரிக்கெட் பாரு. சான்ஸ் போடா. First ball போடா. Le. Hey. No, play for the whistle. Pass பண்ணிடு.
Chip பண்றா, நான் chip பண்ண முடியல, ஓகேடா?
Hey.
Chip the ball. They got the ball. Get up. Warm up, who has to sit? Take the kick. Ishad out. Ishad out.
Come back. Ayush, Vishnu,
Come on, very
some
soon.
shot.
Where's the boss? See, where are you coming?
You don't play any sports.
Hey, it's not asking chance. You have to play.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಡಿಗಿರೋ
Wait.
25
Take a run up.
Tanun, center. Between the two defenders.
No. Yeah.
ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್
Go that side, Tanun. Hey,
Good kick, Ra.
go, Tanun.
Go, Ra.
They're coming there.
Go, team up. Ball Talyade. Talyarra.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
go, got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai, Pura. Okay, Vivan.
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. Take it, Vivan, take it this side.
Hey, take
Hey,
time.
Vishnu, this side, yeah.
Very
Take care,
hard to
okay.
play.
Let the man marking. Take. Keshav, take. Okay, take, you only take.
Go back.
Throw
now.
more.
Go back.
Pura.
Go,
Pura.
go.
Go, Ra. Come on, Ra. Hey. What, Pura? Munadi. Come, friend.
Get Joy,
Hey,
come back.
Akash, play,
Come back, Joy.
Go, Vivan, run and play. Run and play.
Go, Joy.
Keep moving, keep moving.
Akash,
Play for the
Be
whistle.
ready.
come up.
Akash, check your man.
Talyade. Oi.
Dilip, aada.
Talyarra.
Dilip ali.
Good. Come forward and go.
Come on, mark.
Go. You want run. Run.
Clear.
Shiva, your ball. Clear. Shiva. Go, Dilip. Go. Ref, change ref.
Mukesh.
Dilip out.
Mukesh.
Dilip.
Mukesh.
Go. Wait,
Come out.
then come. You're going to play.
Come on, run.
Hey.
Wait.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು
Talyarra ball.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಏನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ದರ್ look at the way of playing so what a be ready
Go that side to Joy.
it's a what I said even that I put video
Drop, Tanun, drop. Target. Yes. Good target.
Keshav.
Come back to left. Target.
Keshav, come this side.
Go,
Raju.
Press Mano.
easy two goals Join throw you have to be quick hey Raju go hey Sam pinadeda
Akash, you go up.
sit there I'm not going to make you sit I don't want you to stand
Ra.
hey Joel
Hey, put it in the line, man.
fall back Yuvan what are you walking hey Sakib go back move that side
Go.
you have to run and play hey Joel clear the ball in
Joy, take
Vivan.
Join throw
Vivan.
good go play la Raju
Raju.
clear
Kick up.
ಹಲೋ
right Ajay ಹೋಗು Ajay hey Ajay you go ball ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
4:35 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ
ಬಾ ಆಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನರಳಾಕೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಜೋರ ಹೊಡೆ
ಬರಿಲ್ಲ
Pass the ball. Go, Abhinav, go, ball, go. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ
ಇದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫೈಟ್ ಓಯ್
ஒரு 4 பீஸ்
go Sakib
Just speed and go.
Join proper clearance good go again
அவங்க ஐஃபோன் சேல் பண்றா அப்படினு
Join good go Dilip ball good Sakib see how
ஐஃபோன் சேல் பண்ற
ದೂರ ಆಡು
அவங்க எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடுறாங்களா சார்
Join
இந்த ஃபோன் எனக்கு கொடுத்து என் ஃபோன்
inside
Spread
time to keep it in
out position
எவ்வளவு இது இப்போ எது புதுசு
Well done. Good.
Talyade. ಬರಲಿ
Go.
Come on, Vivan. Come on. Get up. Hey, okay, come on again. Front to back.
ball go come throw the ball Dilip quickly you should run Throw the shot. Hold on. Start it. Good. Go. Again, go. 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 Akash. Go. Sakib, go. Go, Raju, go. Go, Raju.
Rajit, go.
Dilip, cross. Ishan.
Take a corner. Dilip.
Man marking. Good. Mark. Narrator now mark. Abhinav.
Dilip, go for the ball.
Yeah, go.
Go, John.
First ball for Ra.
Come on, go, Javed. Come up.
Hey, Abhinav, ikkade baro.
Hey, Joel, come up. Joel, go up.
Abhinav.
Leave, Akash, leave. Let him go.
Ball.
Tackle, Sam.
Good. Okay. Try. Good.
Quick.
Hey, Abhinav.
Ajay, quick.
ನೋಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅವರು ಇರಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ
Good,
ಬಾಲ್
quick.
ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ
Ajay, ನೀನು
ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ
ತಗೋ. Side ಗಿಡು.
Come back.
ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗು.
Mark now.
ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗು.
Mark.
ಬಾಲ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ.
Come up.
Good ball. Raju, go.
Raju.
Go, Raju.
Go.
Raju, go.
clear yeah go
Go, Shiva.
Dilip.
go
ಆಡು, ದಿಲೀಪ್ already tired.
Haji come
Go,
on
Raju, go. Sakib, go. Ishan, press. Dilip, press.
don't play back
See, again is turning.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Good, Raju. Cross. Sakib, you're on outside.
you should take a shot
Fall back. Dilip, fall back. Ishan, fall back.
kick the ball this side
ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಕೀழே எங்கேயுமே இல்லை எதுலயும் இல்லை
up over it good go
Line,
yeah
come back, Shiva.
poda near poda
Hey,
near poda
don't watch the game. Oi, come back, man.
oi
Hey, don't take the kick. Dilip, go.
oi
Dilip, go.
near
Hey,
ತಿಳ್ಕೊ
Raju.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ near ತಿಳ್ಕೊ
ಅವ್ನು ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Hey,
Go.
Dilip ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕು.
Mark in
Put
play.
on. Put
Mark in play.
the ball. Dilip, be ready to run. Be ready to run, Dilip. Dilip, run. Dilip.
good come on go team up again
Again.
ಹೋಗ ಅಭಿನವ್
Go, Joel.
Dilip, you're not running only today.
Come on.
Go, Shiva.
very good
Shiva, go. Yeah, very good.
I want the team to go legally
Come up, Sam.
Tackle, Sam. Hey, Shiva, Akash, what is happening? Hey, Sakib out. Wait, let him come.
How you can tell that black tape.
Wait. Yes.
Right?
Okay, do it. Change.
Hey, Dilip, come back, da. Hey, play, man. Hey, Raju, stand on the white line. On the white line, go close.
don't give
Raju, where's the white line?
Finish it.
on this out ಮಾಡು ಓಯ್
Hako, Ivan Hako.
go shot
Ivan, run, Dilip.
good one
Hey,
come back
Aade, Raju.
hey, Raju, play da.
not enough
இந்த ஃபோன் பெருசு
Now, Dilip, mele ba, half side liya. Kick the ball in. Pass.
சேம்
Good. Now go. Hey, go. Shot. Hey, penalty. Hey, use the leg man. Hey, use the leg man. You won. Hey, you won. Hey, he said, go a little close, man, still. Hey, you won. Can't you use the leg? See, the brain will play. One kind of play. Ara.
Cut the ball, Ishan.
Play forward.
Play Shiva. Play Shiva.
Now go.
Ivan, turn and go. Turn.
Go. Go, press. Go, Ishan. Pass. Hey, pass, mado. Hey, Joel, take the corner kick. Hey, Dilip, run from behind. See, two goals.
Raju, be there early. When the ball comes, you go. Dilip, come back. Like that, you go back. Be there.
Hey, Dilip, in the order. Raju, watch the ball and run.
How long is it?
Go. Dilip, shot.
Adesh.
Hey, you won. Hey, kick the ball, man.
Joel,
Ishan,
slowly that side.
Munde ho body.
That side, don't come back. Come up, Sam.
Shiva, come back. Raju, come back.
Akash.
Dilip, stay there only. Hey, you won. Play da.
That's what I'm telling you.
How long is your EMI?
Like,
ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು.
Hey, Shiva, your ball.
Go,
Shiva,
go,
your ball.
go. You got the
Go,
ball,
go.
Shiva.
Don't let watch him receiving the ball.
Ivan, go.
Go, Ivan. Shiva.
Come up, up.
Tackle. Hey, Joel, come up. Joel, come up. Go, go, go,
Go,
go.
Okay, 40
Go. Pass, pass, pass. Dilip. Dilip.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ.
ಆಡು.
ನಿಮಗೆ 0 EMI ಇಲ್ಲ.
Good, Shiva, go. Dilip, ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು. ರಾಜು, play.
ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಮಟ್ಟು
Receive the ball.
Clear the ball in. Clear, clear.
Go back, Akash.
Hey, come back, Shiva. Dilip, come back. Ajay.
Good.
Hey, play da, Dilip. Dilip, how much you want today?
Good try. Okay, okay. Come on. It's okay.
Hey, one out.
Mark and play.
Hey,
Keshav.
what kind of player you are, man? Come on. You know where the ball is? Here the ball is. The ball is here.
ದೇವ್ರ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಈ
Good, play da. What?
closer ಬಂತು.
You can play right.
ఏం బజాజ్ యార్ యూస్ பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க.
Shiva, hey, come this side. Hey, Raju. Wait. Come this side. Come this side. Delete.
இப்போ நான் எதனா வாங்கினா கூட என் நம்பர் வச்சு நான் எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியும்.
Go, Dilip, go, Dilip. They are kick because the ball crossed the offline. Make a wall there,
Take
Dilip.
our
and
ball.
Nishan.
We want take.
Hey, Joel, come back. Shiva, come
We
back.
want. Go and take her.
Hey, Karthik, in the baro. Hey, Raju, make a wall.
போய் நோவோ பண்ணு.
We want take. No, look. Score பண்ணோம்.
ஒரே ஒரு வாட்டி அந்த கோல் கீப்பர் பண்ணாங்க.
Your goal winner.
மேட்ச்
Go on, score it.
Be ready, sit ready.
Be ready, Abhinav.
Ajay,
சிவராத்திரி காம்போ
go. Send the ball.
மெடிடேஷன் மோட்ல இருக்கிறதுனால ஓகே கெட் ரெடி ஃபார் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் மேட்ச். 1 hour ஓட வைப்பாங்க என்ன.
you also tell them not to fall. No injuries.
You wanted the call, I'll call the PJ, you stay there for 5 minutes, let her sit for 5 minutes inside the field. See, you wanted the call. சார் அப்போ சார் ஃபிசியோக்கு இன்னைக்கு வேலையே இல்லை, ரொம்ப பெஜாராக இருக்குதா ஃபிசியோக்கு? நான் அதுதான் நெக்ஸ்ட் இப்போ லாஸ்ட் மேட்ச் பண்ணுறேன் இல்லையா, நான் கூப்பிட்டு பிளேயர் 5 நிமிஷம் உள்ளே ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பண்ண வைக்கிறேன், நான் வேணுன்ட்டே நான் பண்ண வைக்கிறேன்.